Windows were not soundproof and need to be fixed. It was so difficult to sleep with all street noises coming from outside, cars noises and people talks. I felt like they are in the apartment. They should use soundproof windows to isolate or to reduce the noises coming from outside.
The apartments were freezing, heating wasn't working when I complained. The host simply texted me saying the heating is on when it was not. Then he tried explaining how to turn it on by text. He was willing to come and sort it out, so we had a freezing, not health and safety standards
Love the location.
apartment.
It's great for families, close to some beautiful parks. The rooms were large and comfortable. Our family of 6 really enjoyed our stay. We had everything we needed and more.
Well, first, to my surprise when booking, instead of paying £300 as I was expecting, £150 were added on top for cleaning fee.
Information about the flat was not included. For example, the flat was 3 yards from the road and the traffic lights. The windows are not double glazed, therefore the traffic noises were massive and hardly able to sleep during nights.
The sofa bed was disgustingly dirty. The apartment was tiny and not as the photos. The rooms had not been thoroughly cleaned. They state 2 bathrooms, giving the impression of 2 showers, while only one is available.